Calculating slippage on Uniswap SDK is crucial for traders and liquidity providers to understand the potential impact of their transactions on the market. Slippage refers to the difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual price at which the trade is executed. First, you need to understand the key concepts involved in calculating slippage. The Uniswap SDK provides a function to calculate the expected price of a trade based on the current reserve amounts of the two tokens involved. To calculate slippage, you need to compare this expected price with the actual price at which the trade is executed. To calculate slippage, follow these steps. Start by retrieving the current reserve amounts of the two tokens involved in the trade using the Uniswap SDK. Then, use the function provided by the SDK to calculate the expected price of the trade based on these reserve amounts. Next, execute the trade and retrieve the actual price at which the trade was executed. You can do this by checking the transaction receipt or by querying the Uniswap protocol directly. Now, calculate the slippage by comparing the expected price with the actual price. Slippage is usually expressed as a percentage and can be calculated using the formula slippage equals the absolute difference between the actual price and the expected price divided by the expected price multiplied by 100. For example, if the expected price of a trade is $100 and the actual price is $95, the slippage would be 5%. This means that the trade was executed at a price that is 5% worse than the expected price. Best practices for calculating slippage include using the most up-to-date reserve amounts and transaction data to ensure accuracy. It is also important to consider the potential impact of slippage on your trading strategy and to adjust your expectations accordingly. In conclusion, calculating slippage on Uniswap SDK is a straightforward process that involves comparing the expected price of a trade with the actual price at which the trade is executed. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can accurately calculate slippage and make more informed trading decisions.